Let's talk about this shower niche that I like using when I'm doing a bathroom renovation. It is by far the easiest, most durable, and waterproof shower niche to use when doing tile. Now, the plastic is very thick, as you can see. It's heavy duty. There is texture on the inside of the shower niche, so that way when you put over your thin set, it has something to adhere to. And then you have your recessed screw holes all the way around. So all you would need to do is frame it out in the wall prior to installing this, and then it basically fits in there like a glove. And then what I like to do, just to make sure that everything is level, that looks good. And then now you can screw it right to the wall. And just like that, the shower niche is secured to the wall with the frame, and the cement board is flush with the plastic. So now make sure you get a thin layer of Vinset and fiberglass tape, so that way you're able to waterproof all the way around. Smooth it out, and then of course put your waterproof membrane over everything, so now it becomes part of the wall. But really simple to use, and my go-to shower niche when I am installing a new shower. Go out, grab this one today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.